Hey guys, Tech Sammy here, and today I'm doing an unboxing and a review of the Azolt gReformer gaming keyboard. So let's get right to it. So we have the Azolt logo there, and then we also have the diagram where it shows you how the mechanical feature for the keys and the keypad work. And yes, this is a mechanical keyboard. So then the rest we just have a picture of the keyboard. We have the gReformer, the type of keyboard it is, and that is all. So on the left side of the box we just have some information about it, and I just want to say sorry about the little tear there. It came like that, I don't know, it wasn't the Azolt's problem or anything like that. Anyway, so it's a really heavy keyboard, well, it's for gaming anyway, and it has 3 selectable backlights which you can adjust, multimedia function, flexible half mechanical key, replaceable keycaps, and support multiple operating systems. And then on the right side of the box it is just the same thing as the left side, it just tells you the same information. So on the back of the box it just tells you some specifications, and it tells you what colors that you can have, which is blue, purple and red. It tells you the lifespan, which is 10 million times, which are like the keystrokes. Then it is connected by USB. The USB cable length is 170 centimeters, which is 1.70 centimeters. The weight is 985 grams, and then you have the dimensions if you want to look at that yourself. And then on the rest of the box, it just shows you a picture of the keyboard again. So now let's go right ahead and open up the box. So I have my little trusty knife here. That open. Out. See a little box here. Pull it out like that. I think I have it upside down. Yeah, so I'll just put that to the side. And we have our little trusty box here. Put it like that. Open. Oh, no, I had it the right way the first time. Sorry. So once we open this part up, we are meted with the user manual here. Just check out here. Comes in 2 different languages. So yeah, back to that side. And then we have the keyboard. That's what we were all waiting for. Look at here, check if there's anything else. Oh, keyboard stand and keyboard stand. So I'll just get the keyboard ready for use. Okay, so now that you see that the keyboard is out and in its full old glory, we can take a look at the wire first. It's not too long. It's, as it said, 1.70 centimeters. It's pretty good. It's this material type of wiring. Blue and black, which is pretty nice combination. And here we just have the standard USB. So now let's go and connect it. There you go. And once we connected it, straight away it goes on to the red light, but that can be changed later and I will show you how to do that. So straight away it looks amazing. It has a really nice, the Azolt logos on the space bar there, and just when you're typing it sounds really nice, because it is mechanical, so can't really hear it. Well, I don't know if you'd hear it, but it has a really nice touch to it. Probably hear that, but pretty nice. Anyway, before I get too distracted, let's just have a look at all the keys that are on it. So as you can see at the top here, it's just pretty normal. Just look around. Then you have the numbers and the captions. So here when you press the caps lock key, that light turns on. And everything else, that's just pretty normal. We do have another number keypad, WASD, insert, all this stuff. Then we have a special button right here, which will change the lights. I will show you that in better detail. Space key, and yeah, everything's pretty normal. So now that we've looked at the keys on the keyboard, we can just look at some of the features. So to change the light, as I showed before, we have this special light button here. If we click this here, it goes on to the blue. Click this, it goes purple. It doesn't really look good because the camera is a bit... Yeah, anyway. And here we can just turn them off. But if we take the FN key and we click on that, you can see that the lights will just keep changing. And as they're changing, if you're still holding the FN, if it's on blue, you can just hit blue and it'll be on the blue. If it's on, we'll wait for the purple to come up. As you can see, the purple is here, you hit that and it's up. And anyway, there's another one. Let's keep going red because you can see that more. There you go. And so now, if we have the FN key and there's a page up and the page down buttons here, we hold the FN key and we press page down. That will lower the brightness or just turn it off completely when you go too low and you go higher. So yeah, so that's what they basically do. And also the keys on the keyboard, they pop out like that. So you can replace them if anything does happen. And they pop back in pretty easily. So yeah guys, that was my review of the Azolt keyboard. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, it really does help me. Yeah guys, thank you. Peace.